Okay, so in the previous teaching worksheet, we have encountered simultaneous equation that involve indices and log. Okay, so I think I mentioned in the previous section that you could also have two logarithm, and then your job is to solve a simultaneous. So whatever is it, we try to reduce to a normal looking equation. Okay, so like for example, the first one. Okay, how do you get to a normal looking equation? So you change it out. You change it out, you'll get 5 power 1. So in this case, you will get this. If you want to, you can make y the subject. So that looks like a normal looking kind of simultaneous equation. Then from the second one looks a bit more complex. You realize that there's a lot of logarithm. So you actually need to reduce the number of log. Okay, so I did mention before, if you are having a lot of trouble doing all this, you do 2 log at a time. Okay, and because this part you can also choose to bring it over. So actually that's what I will do. So I'll make it like this. I will bring the other log over. Okay, and then this one will be 4 times 3. So once I manage to reduce 1 log on each side, if you do the comparison, you will get xy equal to 12. So that's where you perform your usual simultaneous equation, do a substitution. So in this case, you are getting a quadratic equation. So you are getting a quadratic equation. Okay, let me see. Yeah. So I will get a minus and a plus. Minus 8 plus 5 plus 3. Okay, so be careful when you got two values because of the nature of logarithm. You know that we might need to reject. So in this case, right, I'm already rejecting this because of the logarithm here. So LGX, so x couldn't be negative. Otherwise, the LG will be undefined. So there's only one answer for x. So there's only one answer for x. So use that one answer, find your y. That will be 2x minus 5. So that will be your answer. Okay, so you still need to be mindful if you're doing simultaneous with log. There will be some rejected answers that you need to think of. But otherwise, the strategy is the same. You reduce the log, reduce until nothing, and then you just have a normal looking equation. So never attempt to try to substitute things when there is a logarithm, when you are doing a simultaneous equation. So you should be clear of log. That means you get rid of all the log, then you try to do the simultaneous.